Hey, Scotty. Tell me what you got, what you found. I know you got started here.
Yep, we got started. We're trying to get everything back into place like it needs to be.
On the windlace here on Danny's 54.
Yep, it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. We love it. But as I was proper tool to gently pry, the tack strip that's on the inside
is
disintegrating.
It's rotten.
And the staples are not what's supposed to be there. Now, where is it? Where is it?
I see it.
There it is. Here we go. There's the 1950 tack.
1954 nail. Let me see. Hold
compared
still,
to the ones that they were using.
Oh, so the original one is the one.
The itty bitty one. Yep. Yeah. And the aftermarket ones, they hammered them in so bad that they bent tips. Oh yeah. So
somebody did something at some point.
Yep. And as I'm doing everything,
careful.
As I'm getting in there, I don't know if y'all can see that. If I can get in there with some light, right in here, it is starting. This is the tack strip that was painted green that's supposed to be black.
Yeah, that wanting to focus is a pain because of the lighting.
So we've got, let's see if we can make this a little bit better. A little bit. It's starting to disintegrate absolutely everything, and I do not want to be the one that ruins this absolutely gorgeous car. So
that tack strip needs to be replaced before we go any further.
Yep, and that tack strip goes, are you ready, folks? All the way up.
To about here?
Up.
Or it goes around?
Over, down, down, down to the other side. So it is technically the entire door frame.
But I'm assuming it's in pieces.
Yes, you'll get, like, there's a break right here.
Yeah, you have.
Oh, there we go. We got, okay, so you can see how this is starting to disassemble on the inside, and I do not want to damage this at all. So I can get this panel back in, or I can start disassembling the entire back half of the car to pull every panel apart.
Okay, so we're gonna send this to Danny. I'm gonna shoot him a text and then send this to him first and have him watch it and see what he has to say, and then we are gonna go from there before we go any further, because you can kind of put this back together now.
Yeah.
And it's okay, but if he wants to do everything, then
it's going to be a little bit more than that. We'll have to figure out on where we can get the tack strip from. Because my only concern is this headliner.
It sounds like World War II.
I know, right?
They're flying the...
no, Korea.
No,
Korea, this is the time frame for it.
Yeah, but the...
Car, plane.
The plane sound is from World War II.
Oh, yeah. I don't want to ruin this top.
No.
And I'm only so good, I'll admit it. I'll throw myself under the bus. I can do some wedgie to keep everything uptight. So the only bad spot will be right here. Or if the owner wants us to, I can do a complete disassemble. Seat and all out.
It's all going to come out to make
Get this taken out. Get the new tack strip to go up, or work with what we've got, get new nails, get this all tucked up into place like it needs to be, and get it all back together. But I'm going to pause for the moment and let the owner make up his mind and let us know which direction he wants us to go in, because I'm not, this car, I mean, Bobby will do a quick picture of the car. It is stunning.
Well, it's going to be on the playlist, so everybody's going to know what car it is, because there's a playlist already for it.
Yep.
So, all right. I'm going to upload this and send it to Danny real quick. And, ooh, hold on. Woo! Airplanes! Anyway, all right.
So I'm going to leave everything exactly the way you see it.
Okay.
For the moment.
All right. I'm going to get a hold of Danny.
Okay. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to leave these tools put aside. Nobody touch them. Nobody even go near them. I don't want them greasy. I don't want grease next to the interior of this car.
Are you listening, Bernsey?
I'm listening.
Don't
touch his stuff. Don't touch Scotty's tool while your hand's lubed up.
Oh, baby.
Oh my God.